There and welcome to today's class. In today's class, we're going to be solving over 10 most repeated post-utme questions on mathematics. The first question we have today says, solve for x in this equation. Log 3x minus 1 to base 2 is equal to 5. Option A, we have 10. Option B, 11. Option C, 15. And option D, 17. This is a typical post-utme question. In this question, the first thing you need to do is to rewrite this equation, which is log 3x minus 1 base 2 is equal to 5. What we need to do is to remove this log. To remove this log, we say 3x minus 1 is equal to this base 2 here comes up here, you have 2, this becomes a power to power 5. That's the best way to remove this log. Now we have 3x minus 1 is equal to 2 raised to power 5. We have 3x minus 1 is equal to 2 raised to power 5 is 2 multiplying itself 5 times, which is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 gives you 4. 4 times 2 gives you 8. 8 times 2 you have 16. 16 times 2 you have 32. So 2 raised to power 5 is what? 32. We have 32 here. They say solve for what? X. So if we make x the subject of formula, we have 3x is equal to 32. Minus 1 crosses the equality sign, it goes to this other place. It changes from minus to plus. So we have plus 1. We have 3x is equal to 32 plus 1. It will give us 33. To find the value of x, we divide by the coefficient of x in this equation, which is 3. We have 3x divided by 3 is equal to 33 divided by 3. This will cancel out. We're left with what? X is equal to 33 divided by 3, we have 11. Therefore, the value of x in this equation is what? 11. Our correct answer here is option B, 11. The next question we have says, factor completely 4x squared minus 25. This equation, option A, we have 2x minus 5 raised to power 2. Option B, 4x minus 5 multiplies x plus 5. Option C, 2x minus 5 into 2x plus 5. And option D, not factorable. Let's solve these questions together. We have solution. Looking at this equation, 4x squared plus minus 25. This is completely a difference of two squares. This is a difference of two squares. The first term here, 4x squared, is the same thing as what? 2x raised to power 2. 2 raised to power 2 is 4. X raised to power 2 is what? X squared. For the second term, 25 here is equal to what? 5 squared. 5 raised to power 2 is what? 25. So here, if you are asked to factorize this, it's very simple. All you need to do is pick this term and add it with this one in the bracket. 2x and 5, we have 2x minus 5. You put it in the brackets, and you have 2x plus 5. When you multiply this, we're going to get this equation. Let's do that and check if we are correct. 2x times 2x, you have what? 4x squared. Which is this times this. If this multiplies the second term, which is 5, 2x times 5, you have what? Plus 10x. If this multiplies this, you have 2x times minus 5. You have what? minus 10x. And if minus 5 multiplies plus 5, you have what? Minus 25. This is the same thing as 4x squared minus 10 plus 10. They cancel out. So we are left with what? Minus 25. This was what was given to us in the question. So our correct option here is this. 2x minus 5 into 2x plus 5, which is option C. Therefore, our correct answer here is what? Option C. Question 3 says, solve the equation 6 over x plus 1 plus 3 all over x minus 2 is equal to 3. Option A, we have x is equal to 2 plus or minus square root of 3. Option B, we have x is equal to 2. Option C, x is equal to minus 1. And option D, no real solution. Now let's solve this question together. Looking at this equation, it is an algebraic fraction. The first step is to find the LCM of the denominators. The LCM of the denominators is what? X plus 1 and x minus 2. That's the LCM of these two denominators. Just all you have to do is to multiply the both of them. That is the LCM. Now we have gotten the LCM. You say x plus 1 into x minus 2. Divide x minus 1. If they divide, this will cancel this. We are left with what? X minus 2. X minus 2 times 6, we have 6 into x minus 2. The sign here is what? Plus. So we have plus. You bring this out. 3 into this denominator divides x minus 2. It will cancel. X minus 2 will cancel itself. We have x plus 1. So x plus 1 times 3 give us 3 into x plus 1 is equal to what? 3 from the equation. Now we have gotten this. Let's simplify the what? Numerator. If we expand the numerator, this multiplies this. 6 times x, we have 6x. 6 times minus 2, you have minus 12. Plus 3 times x, we have 3x. And 3 times plus 1, we have plus 3. Divided by what? X plus 1 into x minus 2. All is equal to what? 3. We have gotten to this point, right? Let's simplify this numerator further. If we collect like terms, you have 6x plus 3x minus 12 plus 3, all divided by x plus 1 into x minus 2 is equal to 3. 6x plus 3x will give us what? 9x. Minus 12 plus 3. Minus 12 plus 3 will give us what? Minus 9. All over x plus 1 into x minus 2 is equal to 3. Now we have gotten this, we are free to cross multiply. If we cross multiply, this is the same thing as over 1. This multiplies this, and this multiplies this. 1 times the numerator here gives you 9x minus 9 is equal to 3. We multiply the whole thing here, this denominator. We have 3 into x plus 1 into x minus 2. If we expand this further, we have 9x minus 9 is equal to 3 into. If this multiplies this, x times x, we have what? X squared. X times minus 2, we have minus 2x. 1 will multiply x, we have plus x. And 1 will multiply minus 2, we have minus 2. Here, if you simplify that, we have 9x minus 9 is equal to 3 into x squared minus 2x plus x will give you minus x. So you have minus x minus 2. 9x minus 9 is equal to, we use 3 to open this bracket. 3 multiplies x squared, we have 3x squared. 3 multiplies x, we have minus 3x. And 3 multiplies minus 2, we have minus 6. 9x minus 9 is equal to 3x squared minus 3x minus 6. Here now, if we collect like terms, we have here 3x squared. We're starting with this. Let's start with this. 3x squared. There's no other value here. There's no other term that has x squared. So we'll move to the next x. We have minus 3x. If this crosses the equality sign to this other side, it changes from plus to what? To minus. So we have minus 9x. We have minus 6. This is minus 9. If it crosses to this side, it changes from minus to what? Plus. So we have plus 9. This gives us 3x squared minus 3x minus 9x will give us minus 12x. We have minus 6 plus 9. Minus 6 plus 9 will give us plus 3. Don't forget, this is equal to 0. This is equal to 0. There's something common here, right? 3. If we divide through by 3, we have 3x squared divided by 3 minus 12x divided by 3 plus 3 divided by 3 is equal to 0. 3 will take away 3. 3 here 1. 3 into this we have what? 4. 3 will take away 3. We are left with x squared minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Now let's solve this quadratic equation using the almighty formula, or better say the formula method, where we have x is equal to minus b squared plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. From this equation here, the coefficient of x squared is what? A. The coefficient of x here is b, which is minus 4, and the coefficient of the constant, or the constant, is what? C. If we impute these values into this equation, we have that x is equal to minus b squared. Our b is what? Minus 4. So we have minus 4 squared plus or minus square root of, our b squared is what? Minus 4 squared minus 4 into ac. A is 1, c is 1. So we have 1 times 1, all divided by what? 2a. Here we have that x is equal to, sorry, this is not squared. This is minus times minus gives us plus. So we have plus 4 plus or minus square root of minus 4 squared will give us 16 minus 4 times 1 gives us 4 all over 2a. Don't forget, a here is what? 1. So this is 2 into 1. 2 times 1 gives us 2. Here we have x is equal to plus 4 plus or minus square root of 16 minus 4 is 12 over 2. Now, from this point, we have root 12. Root 12 is the same thing as 4 times 3, right? Where we have 4 times 3 gives us 12. This is the same thing as root 4 times root 3. Square root of 4 is what? 2. This is the same thing as 2 times root 3, which is the same thing as 2 root 3. So if we substitute this for root 12 in this equation, we have plus 4 plus or minus, instead of writing 12, we say 2 root 3 divided by 2. X is equal to what? 4 plus or minus 2 root 3 over 2. Something can cancel out here, right? Which is 2. If we divide through by 2, we have x is equal to, we divide through by this. 2 will take away this, it goes off. 2 divided by 4, we have 2. Therefore, we have 2 plus or minus root 3. So this is our final answer. If you come here, the correct option is what? Option A. X is equal to 2 plus or minus root 3.